I love this house and so will you. I'm Laurel Guy and we're visiting 2542 Slaterville Rd. This is an 1850 Greek revival that marries the old and the new. It has the character of the wide plank floors and it's been completely updated with a modern artistic flair. It's near Brookton's Market in Ellis Hollow. Outside you have window boxes, perennial gardens, and great outdoor spaces. Everything has been done, and inside it's light and open with stylish painted wide plank floors throughout. Check out this cool kitchen. There's a sweet little breakfast bar, and a vintage sink with a view, custom tile backsplash, and locally milled butternut countertops with a live edge, and cabinets by Foster Custom Kitchen. Built in 1850 on the old Catskill Turnpike, it was the home of a blacksmith, and his attached workshop would be ideal studio space for an artist or craftsperson, or it could be finished as additional living space. Opportunity knocks. 2542 Slaterville Rd is a very, very, very fine house.